More updates, viewers. We're now learning that Supreme Court has pulled up comedian and YouTuber Samay Raina and asked the comedian to pay rupees 3 lakh in 2 weeks, citing brazen violation of court orders by Raina. To tell us more on this, I have my colleague Sambhav Sharma, who's joining me on the broadcast. Sambhav, what is the latest that you can tell our viewers about the development? And I also want you to share a little background of this case.
Well, absolutely. A detailed hearing in the Supreme Court just concluded. The matter was before the bench led by the Chief Justice of India. And detailed hearing took place in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court heard this controversy. India's got latent controversy involving Samay Raina and other accused. The important news is that the top court has imposed a fine of 3 lakhs each on Samay Raina and all other accused. The court has initially imposed 10 lakhs each, but reduced it to 3 lakhs on the request made during the hearing. And also, the observations made by the top court are important. And here the Supreme Court has said that Supreme Court has rather observed that learn to respect the sentiment of the society. And this is a big observation coming straight from the bench led by the Chief Justice of India. And the Supreme Court has imposed a fine, 3 lakh fine, and that is to be deposited within 2 weeks. That's what the latest from the Supreme Court in this case. A detailed hearing took place, and 3 lakh fine on comedian Samay Raina in this case relating to the alleged mocking persons with disabilities. And court has directed Samay Raina to deposit this fine within 2 weeks and file a compliance affidavit within 15 days.
All right, Sambhav, thanks for joining me with those details.